Thank you very much, Ammar, for joining us today on BIM Beyond Borders channel. And I hope that our viewers will enjoy this episode and they will be getting the benefit with your experience and expertise. I would like to mention here that this episode or this initiative is very much non-profitable, non-political. We are here only to share our practical knowledge. The industry experts like Ammar is joining us here without any, profitable business. We are here enjoying our conversation, and thank you very much, Ammar. Would
Thank
you
you
like
so
to
much.
add?
I really enjoyed the discussion with you, and I hope we benefit the audience. Thank you very much.
Inshallah. This is the wrap of our BIM Beyond Borders technical discussion today with Ammar Saud. If you love this podcast, just subscribe and help us to grow and to let us spread the knowledge. Thank you very much.